In order to connect Apify to Claude AI, the first thing you want to do is you want to open up Claude AI like you normally would, go to the bottom left and select on your profile picture, then select over here where it says settings. Afterwards, please find connectors, press on it, then select over here where it says browse connectors. Now from here, you want to go ahead and type in Apify right over here. So yep, here it is. You just want to go ahead and click on it. Then you need to go ahead and get Claude for desktop in order to use this extension. So if you haven't already, please go ahead and download it. So let me go ahead and download it really quickly. Okay, so make sure to go ahead and download it for your operating system. Then it is going to install the Claude setup.exe file, and you just want to go ahead and open it up and then go through the setup wizard. All right, so now it's going to begin installing Claude AI. Okay, then make sure to go ahead and sign in with your Claude account. Okay, then here you are, and then you just want to go ahead and try again. So press on your profile picture, press on settings, then go over here to where it says connectors, and then press over here where it says browse connectors, and then look for Apify one more time. All right, then you're able to go ahead and press on install, and then from here, go ahead and install Apify if you haven't already. And then it is going to make you sign in to your Apify account in order to give Claude permission. So this is where you go ahead and do it. Keep in mind that if you're running into difficulties, it is likely because you need to be on Claude desktop, not the web browser. So then afterwards, it is going to ask you to enter in your Apify API token in order for authentication. So please go ahead and do that. But that is how you go ahead and get Claude AI to have access to Apify. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.